So let me start again. Common flower parts: stamen, anther, filament. So let me first show you from the outer layer, which I promised in P1, I mean part 1. Okay, so here you have the thalamus, here you have the pedicle, you have the thalamus. It's not needed in your syllabus, so I'm not given. Okay, so here you have the sepals. Okay, sepals, see. Next you have your petals. You'll understand, no? The sepal means the calyx and petal means corolla. Okay, next you have the stamen. Stamen means the androecium, which is composed of anther and filament. Anther is the sacked bags and filament is this long stick. In the anther there is presence of pollen grains, okay, which we talked about. Stigma is the receiver of pollen grains and it travels to the style and then it comes to the ovary. This pistil is also called the gynoecium. Okay, you've seen the 3 parts. That's all. Okay, so now I'll take you to the next slide. Common flower parts we have done, and I'll take you to the next slide. But before that, let me just get you to some points. Okay, so these are the points which I had to tell, and then I'll take you to the next slide. Now, what are the types of pollination? Self pollination. You can take a screenshot. I'll wait for 3 minutes, but 3 seconds. But let's first learn. Okay, self pollination. Pollination that occurs between the same flower. See, from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. It's going from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, not any kind of different flower. And this one, cross pollination. Pollination that occurs between two different flowers of the same species. Very important, mark this. So what happens, this goes to this. Now you definitely have this question that if the insect doesn't know which flower is what, and so she can throw easily to whatever part he or she wants, but the answer is that if such cases happen, then the pollen grain will get destroyed. It will not germinate or produce any kind of it will not reproduce at all. Okay, so this is the answer for this. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds, just screenshot it out. I hope all of you understand. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's for all for class 5. We'll again learn in class 6. Okay, thank you so much.